Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to install paper in a Canon PIXMA TS6550i. Now, the tray you can see here is the paper output tray. Whilst you can print with it closed, I'd recommend pulling it out, folding out that, to stop your paper flopping all over the floor. But just below that, we have the paper input tray. You see there's a recess here, just pull against that, and it'll slide out nicely. And as you can see, running down the length of the tray, there's all the different paper sizes you can use with this printer. And as there's no back on the tray, I'd recommend moving the slider to whichever position you need and leaving it there and just making sure the paper is sat down, touching that little guide there, and you've got the adjustments to make up here as well. It's also worth noting that within the tray itself there's a visual indication which side of the paper your printer will print to, with this icon showing the print will appear on whichever side of the paper is placed down in the tray. So keep that in mind if you're printing to paper with a specialist covering on there, photo paper, etc. But don't worry about it if you're just printing to regular office paper. So, we just pop our paper in, make sure it's sat against it. And on the screen itself, your printer will be making sure the kind of paper that you've just installed matches what it thinks you have. Mine thinks A4 matte paper, which is accurate. If not, press down, go into change. You've got lots of different sizes and lots of different finishes. So just select a combination that works for you and press OK. If you know that you haven't changed anything, that screen would have disappeared by itself anyway. Now I hope you found this useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.